Hi all of you, back with another video on Git and GitHub. So in this video I'm going to show you what is Git reset. So let me just copy my IP and paste it here. Okay, now it's time to open ec2-user ec2-user. Okay, now I am logged in successfully, but as a regular user, not as a root user. Okay, but I am now a root user. So let me just change appearance first. Font should be in space, and size should be 26, and color should be, I think, for today white is good. Okay, now it's time to Control plus L to clear screen. Now let me check ls Singapore Git. Let me go here in this repo, in this local repo, Singapore Git. Now it's time to do ls again. Okay, let me create a new file. Let me create a file name as reset. Okay, name as reset or something else. Let me make a file name as, what should I write here? Let me write reset. Okay, reset file. Okay, so in this file I am writing, hi, my name is Sahitya. Okay, so now as you can see that I have missed y. So I did this why, because I just want to show you that if you are a developer and you are writing code and you did a mistake in code, so now first let me go out of this file. Okay, so let me git add reset file. Okay, now you have added, which means now this is your working directory. Okay, so this is your working directory. Okay, so this is your the area where is your file present before adding. Okay, but now your file is here because you have added to staging area. Okay, so now to move back to, it means to undo the change. Okay, or you can say that to delete from the staging area. How you can do that? So let me show you. Git status first. Okay, git status, new file, reset. Okay, now you are in staging area. Okay, so to remove from this area, okay, to remove from the staging area, there is a command git reset and your file name. What is your file name? Reset file. Okay, so if I run now git status, now you can see that your file is now here. Your file is gone here, back to your working directory. Okay, so let me use this entire stroke. Okay, this is good. Yeah, so now your let me rub this as well. Okay, so now your file is here in again in working directory. Now you can do some changes. Okay, let me show you one more scenario. Let me first clear screen, git add. I am adding again that file. Okay, I'm adding again. Now my file is added, as you all can see here. Git status. Okay, new file, reset file. Okay, so now if you let me open this first. Okay, now if you want to delete from your working directory as well, if you want to clean your tree, okay, if you want to clean your tree, how you can do that? There is command git reset -- hard. Okay, head is now at this. Okay, code 1. So if I run this git status command, now you can see that nothing to commit, working tree is clean. But before running this command, this is, now you can see that there is a new file. Okay, So now it is back, it is cleared from, removed from, you can say here, from here also. Okay, now your file is, so your file is also deleted. As you all can see, there is no reset file, it is deleted. Okay, so this is your git reset. I hope you all now understand what is git hyphen hyphen hard and what is your git reset, and you can specify the name of your file. Okay, so the main purpose of the git reset is to undo the change from here to here, but from here to here you use git revert. Okay, as I already showed you. So I think now you all are understand what is the git reset. Okay, in the next video I'll show you something more about git and github, and I will be meet you in my next video.